Thank you for choosing the BusGates aluminum stop arm extension. Although there are many different types of stop arm motors and signs, we've done our best to make our product as universal as possible. While some variations may occur, here are the standard installation instructions for either the 48-inch or junior aluminum arm. Before installing, shut the power off to your stop arm motor and open the stop arm. You will need 2 clamps for the next step. On the back side of the stop sign, place the extension between the bottom light of the stop sign. Let the top LEDs on the extension rest on the bottom of the stop sign and clamp into place. Using a level, release one of the clamps and adjust until level, then re-clamp into place. Once you ensure the extension is level, drill the 6 holes from the extension into the stop sign. Next, you will need the 2 ear brackets and the 6 nuts and bolts. Place the 2 ear brackets on the front side of the stop sign along with the 6 bolts and align with the holes in the stop sign and extension. Tighten all the bolts by hand. Check to ensure the extension remains level and tighten completely. Now take your blue T-connector and attach it to the red wire. Take the T-connector and attach it to the blue power line on the school bus. Next, take the ground connector and attach it to the black wire. Then ground it to the school bus. Your BusGates extension comes with a flashing unit which is preset to flash but can be customized to fit your specific needs. If you wish to change the setting, open the small square box and adjust the 4 tabs inside. All 4 in a line will make the light stay constant and will not flash, so adjust accordingly. Run your 8 ways and your new BusGates stop arm extension should be activated and flashing. If it's not working, check the connectors and the ground wire. Thank you for choosing BusGates to help reduce stop arm passing and to keep our children safe each and every stop.